A L-shaped non-conducting rod ABC is placed. The EMF induced across the ends ABC. Okay, now I think you have to. You can proceed like this. He is asking something. There's a rod or whatever you can call that. The rod is at a distance 2r. Okay, this is one thing. Okay, first we'll go for individual. It'll be much easier. Length of the rod is 2r, no? This will be much easier for you, no? Now, where is the rod is there? Somewhere lying outside, no? And the magnet field is confined to these regions. I'll only show few. Now, shall we bring another? Shall we just make a complete? So this is the A. This is B. What is this distance? The distance from here, from O to the point C, also C is already taken, D. What can be OD? OD should be equal to 2R, no? And AB equal to again 2R. You can see from the conditions given. OD and AB equal to 2R. So can we bring this theta? Now first, let's get into what is a induced electric, what is EMF induced across the rod OA? Should be 0, no? Any reason? Because we know the EMF induced is E bar dot DL bar. For rod OA, what is the problem? E bar E DL cos 90. So therefore EMF is induced. EMF induced is 0. Similarly, same thing for the rod OB also. So we are not understanding. Okay, you do one thing. Take this DL bar like this. Inside the magnet field and outside the magnet field also, because we know magnet field will, the induced electric field will lie in a region where magnet field is varying and also external to the varying magnet field region, because we will produce such a varying magnet field in a cylindrical or in a circular region, solenoid. Induced electric field will be present here, S it will present here and also will be present here. So how E bar will be directed in this way. Then DL bar is directed in this way. Similarly, inside also here, this will be DL and E bar will be directed in this direction. So that I'll show it clearly here. And E bar here will be. So either for the rod OA or OB, either inside or outside, the E bar will be directed of course, magnitude will be different. Fine. So therefore, no EMF induced in the rod OA and OB. Very important. At many numericals, this will help you a lot to simplify things. So what is EMF induced? Total EMF induced in only across the rod AB. How to calculate that? But what is effective area? Effective area is area of this sector. Effective area will come area of the sector. OAD. Okay, this P1, P2. So therefore, EMF induced in the triangle OAB is equal to EOA plus EOB, EAB plus EOB plus EOA. This is what unknown thing which we have to find out. This is 0, this is 0. What is EOB? Effective area, area of sector, SOP1 P2 into dB by dt. Area of sector, how much it is, like a pi, no, sorry, r square, radius is r square theta by 2 dB by dt, 2 alpha. EMF induced across the ends AC is asking. First we'll calculate EAB. We'll see what do we get. What is theta? What can be theta? I think theta by 2 we can define. Sine theta by 2 should be equal to R by 2R. Theta is pi by 3. So R square pi alpha by 3 is what? EMF induced. Similarly, we'll calculate for the rod EBC. Same thing I'm repeating. Please, you should not scold me, sir. Yeah, today you thought only one problem. Yes, only one problem. What all induced electric field, no, there's only one idea. Based on that, we are revolving. Similarly, we have to go for the EMF induced across the rods, EC, that one. Only thing, the area of sector will change here.
So tan theta is R by 2R. Tan theta by 2 is R by 2R.
Oh, I think tan theta, sorry. No, we don't have any value, no? I think tan inverse. How to determine E direction? E will be, you draw a circle and for that circle, it will be tangential. Very important, please, all of you. There is only one thing, finish over. Nothing is there in any problem. There is the only thing. Sir, I want E bar. Okay, there's a circle is there. So draw a tangent, draw a circle at that point with respect to center O and E bar. How to get E bar? It can be, sir, either way. Lenz's law. Negative flux increases defined with negative EMF induced positive. I'm repeating this 100 times. Please, you have to follow it. Huh? Every problem you are making something different. The complex mind, you have to take it out. Let's take the there's a rod 2R, okay, total will be 4R. Then again, similarly, we'll bring the now you can see this. This will be the O B C. I think that this I'll take it out. Theta is what? I should substitute this value. So this will become EAB equal to R square alpha theta. We'll have this much of data in hand. We'll see what further it will be. Next again after this. So this is the sector P1, P2 I'll end up, or I'll take it 5 by 2, 5 by 2. Again the same thing. So no EMF induced in the rod EOB and EOC. Any reason? EDL cos 90. So what all EMF induced will be only in the rod BC. So therefore what we should write? EOBC should be equal to EBC plus EOB plus EOC. This is what? Effective area. SO P3, P4. Let me go for P3, P4 into dB by dt, EBC, 0 plus 0. Yashovardhan, check it once. AC will become diameter.
Sir, not diameter, sir. It is passing through center.
Sure. Because the length is here 4R and 2R. How come? Okay. This line, it will pass through this one. Passes through point O.
Yes, sir.
Then directly I'll pick up 0.
Sir, we can't say that, sir.
Yes.
No, please, geometry, you have to tell me, like, I don't know mathematics, please. I know only physics. You tell me, like, the AC passes through this O. Okay, fine, I'll put 0. If it is non-zero, okay, there's a method, I'm bringing it. Now, you should tell me the triangle, all you learn, coordinate geometry.
Sir, length of AB is also 2R, sir.
Length of AB is, but the length of BC is 4R, no.
Sir, we can prove that it is passing through center, sir.
If it is confirmed, okay, I'll write 0. Some are saying some AC passes through center. Okay, then it's quite very easy. No, I'll pick up option A then. Why I'll do all this? Okay, I think yeah, here I can verify it. Area of this sector, R square by 2 phi alpha EBC. Now, what is the phi? Angle phi should be equal to tan phi by 2 is equal to 2R by R, no? Check it, something. Mathematics, you should be aware of all those things. So I know I can only bring the physics ideas here. Now you can see that. Is it phi is equal to theta?
Sir, theta plus phi is 180 degrees. Sir.
Yeah, what will be that one? No,
Angle DO and the center of BC. Sir.
No, phi I got 2 tan inverse of 2 that one. Is it okay? If I'm right, okay, I'll proceed further. With available simple geometry is what I proceeded.
Sir, correct only, sir.
It will correct only, no? Pi r square alpha, total EMF induced. Okay, I'll substitute this. So EBC is equal to r square by 2 r square alpha tan inverse of 2. Okay, this should be Check it. EBC, we are having this much.
Sir, EBC is r square into 2 tan inverse of 2 alpha, sir, not r square by 2. We won't get by 2, sir.
Here,
Sir, dB by dt is 2 alpha. No, sir.
oh, 2 alpha. dB by dt is 2 alpha. No, yeah, I didn't. I'll put it here. 2 alpha. Two shall I add up finally? Check it once. Them calculations. 2 alpha. Okay. Uh, 2r square alpha. So what about the EMF induced?
So pi r square alpha will get.
Pi r square alpha total.
Yes, sir. Pi.
Okay, this one. EAB plus EBC should be equal to, that is what EAC. I'll write it. I don't have place here. EAB equal to 2r square alpha tan inverse of 1 by 2 plus 2r square tan inverse of 2. How much you get? 2 pi 2r square alpha.
So 2 will not be there.
2 will not be there. Huh? Okay, pi r square alpha. Pi means 22 by 7, 3.14. $6.28. No options. I'll remove this by 2. Okay, this will be our answer. Okay, slowly see, like the main intention is how to get that potential EMF induced across the rods which are there.
Sir. So you said that if AC is the diameter, it will be 0, no, sir?
If AC is a diameter only for this part, afterwards what will happen? You can see this here. It will be a no. So if you draw a line, if it comes like this, EMF induced for this AC will be 0. Is asking for this part. I don't know. Nobody is able to understand the point what I'm telling. Only when you for this line it will be 0. No, for this it will be there. For AC only, he has asked EMF induced across the rods and AC. If there was a loop like this, complete loop, one more like this. Only for that side, AC will be 0.
And AB plus BC will be
non-zero, yeah, because it will encounter this area. No, that's what from the beginning I was insisting. Only for AC it will be 0, not the answer. So hence AC means if instead of this L-shaped dot, if the rod were like this, I would have said as 0.
Sir, here in this question, AC is the diameter.